Hello guys, good morning. So welcome back to my channel. So it's our third day today and the last day ng paggala namin dito sa Thailand. And before kami lumabas, magbe-breakfast na kami. So meron kaming breakfast buffet dito sa hotel. And this is what I'm going to eat. Puro gulay dito. Tapos may mushroom, coffee, rice. Mamaya magsasalat ako. So, ang kailangan ko lang talagang gawin ngayon is uminom ng kape. Kasi hindi ako madumi. Ayan. Kakain muna tayo. And then mamaya, pupunta na tayo sa Pattaya. So we're here in Pattaya. There's also a dinosaur shop.
Dinosaur.
May totoong elepante.
Good. Video on it.
I want to touch.
Good.
Kaya mo yun?
Right, baby, right. No problem. No, one level, no. Good. Hello.
Hi baby, you're so cute. Ay, hello.
Wala ka naman yung anak yan. Hello, baby. Hello, pa. Yeah. Baby.
Oo. Thank you. Kapong ka. Alright, so there's an elephant show outside. Yo. Yeah. Bro. makakita ng elepante. Sa tinampakan ng elepante. Go bakla! Ay, puta ko yun. Winasad pa siya gago. Oh, sige! Sige! Itapakan mo na yan!
Okay, oh, you just won. Okay, please come to her.
300 ba to? Paano elepante?
Pink.
Yung yung nagji-gymnast. Gago.
Painting. Painting.
Putangin na.
Tip! Oh, sabi ni ate, 300 baht ako na lang mag-paint.
Ayan na yung dalawang elepante. Ayan na yung dalawang elepante. Ayan na yung dalawang elepante. Corn, tingnan mo yung food namin. Indian food.
Ito yung tinapay nila na yun.
Puro Indian ang tao dito. Parang kami lang yung Pinoy.
Sabi sa Ausaw.
Wala kang mapili. Kasi namin alam yung lasa ng mga pagkain.
Yan ang bread.
Ang hirap.
Adjust mo yan sa ikot. Dito. Ma, ano may ano ba? Sombrero niya pero. Pwede mo i-adjust yan. Yung maganda dito na, yung ano niya, yung temple niya ng pako. Pako niya, gumawa. Di, ano dyan, kakaiba dyan.
You might wonder why the museum was built nearby the sea, because the founder believed that the sea will calm our mind. And once our mind calm, it helps us realize how small we are compared to the ocean. It makes us humble. Actually, everyone, I want you to see. We have three metals: the root, the body, the base. The base consists of 2 layers. The lowest is the plain base with no decoration, but at the middle we can see the signal. Lion leg.
Go, lakad.
Good morning, guys. So this is our last day today, and we're heading to her airport na. We're just having our breakfast muna. And then uwi na kami sa Pilipinas. So miss ko tong Thailand. It's a beautiful country. Ang dami pang pwedeng galaan, pero limited lang talaga yung time namin. Parang kulang yung 4 days na pag-stay namin dito, tapos itong 4th day pa namin, ipauwi na kami ng airport. But hoping na makabalik kami dito soon. So, ayan. breakfast muna kami guys. So, yun. Hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. See you on our next vlog. Bye!
Buti na sa'yo? We're going home. Goodbye, Thailand.